Anyway, I'm going to select the fire that I. Let me stretch it out a little bit because I don't want a teeny tiny image. I don't want to make a fucking thumbnail with my YouTube video. I want to make a big image. So let me stretch it out. By the way, the secret to always make a image looking better than it actually is to have more quality is always stretching out. Stretching. Oh, God. Yeah, stretching out. I don't know the name. Oh my God. Resizing it. Always resize to give more to be able to see more details. God fucking damn it. Next tutorial, how to properly speak this language. Okay, I group everything. And I'm going to stretch it out. This impossible fucking view. Look at this fucking view. I can see. No, it's kind of possible. But like the down part is too. I don't know. It's not possible. It's the perspective is all wrong in here. I don't know what I'm doing at this point, and there's no way to fix perspectives in Corel. At least I don't know. Maybe that is. I'm gonna Control Shift U to change the color. I'm going to make it red-ish, a little bit more red, 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 red. Maybe yellowish. Yeah, yellowish because fire when it is hotter is closer to white and yellow. The yellows are closer to the. Okay, I'm going to make. I'm not trying to smooth it out. I'm trying to make it shine, shiny, and I make the color that I try to shine. I blur it out, and I'm going to make this way just to be able to see the rock and see the shine. Because this way is like the rock is flaming. Dude, this rock is flaming. I'm avoiding the edgy jokes. But like it's like the edgy jokes come to me, bro. They kick on me because they edgy. Yeah. I should stick it out with the edgy jokes. Fucking black people. It's okay, I can say that because I'm half black. I'm half white too. But anyway, I'm going to put mm, I'm going to put the fire over this rock. It looks not even a bit realistic. Maybe I should like I don't know. Maybe it's the what the name of the fucking thing? God damn it! The contrast. The contrast with the image is too high. Maybe I don't know. Let me change the color a little bit. Maybe red-ish. Looks like a fucking uh forgot the name right now. Yeah, it's kind of looking okay. I tried to make it more to seem more like it was a port standing out of the fire instead of making something shine through. There's this water is not gonna work. Maybe if I just pick up the droplets, and if I try to make like I don't know. I'm just trying shit out, dude. Don't fucking. I'm not a fucking professional in this shit. I'm halfway through because I'm always lying. Let me change the color again. Mm 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 mm. No, nah. Wider because it's more similar to the one where it's coming out off. I don't know. Looks like semen. God, I'm such a fucking mess. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look shitty. Yeah, okay, I can roll with it. Roll with it like the rocks are rolling from the sky. The rocks are falling from the sky. So I guess I can fall on it. Yeah. It's always cooler when you can roll with things. It's not cooler when you drop on things. My sister dropped a mixtape and now I'm not cool anymore. I'm super hot. I don't know. I'm just a fucking mess. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, now you know what I was watching. Anyway, I'm gonna pick up this water to make it like this heating. Dude, ice is water. What the fuck? I don't wanna work. I don't wanna travel through ice's waters. Maybe I can pick up this image to make it the other side of the photo manipulation. Photo manipulation. Say that 3 times fast. Photo manipulation, photo manipulation, photo manipulation, photo manipulation. You know that I have nothing to talk about when I just saying the same shit over and over again. Dude, fucking, I went to my dad's house that we haven't talked for 3 years. That's not funny because we actually have so much. Anyway, let me find something to talk about. Oh, I know what. I was talking to this girl on fucking Instagram. I found this girl, and she was such a fucking bitch. I talked to her. You know that this is a good tutorial when I'm not talking about the tutorial. But I mean, I just talk about every single tool. I'm just showing you what I can do right now. So let me just, hang around, talking. So, dude, what are you doing on Friday? Anyway, oh, this is not gonna work because it needs to be above the image. God damn it. Okay, maybe. Okay, let me just adjust this a little bit more from here. So yeah, I was talking to this girl on Instagram, and she was like, I was like, oh, you're so nice. I really like you because this, and that. I was like, I was not being like, boobs, show me where the boobs are. I was not being like that. I was literally being nice. I was just finding things that we both agree, share, things that we, both of us have in common. And I'm being super nice, and she's like, yeah, mm-hmm. Like every single yap, she answered in like 3 fucking hours. She wasn't being nice. It's like, is something wrong? Why are you not talking to me? She's like, oh no, it's because I forgot my phone. Oh, I just came from the street. Oh Jesus, this. She gave such a shitty excuse. It's like, okay, listen, if you don't want to talk, just be honest with me and tell me, no, I don't want to talk. You seem like a nice guy, whatever. I'm just not interested. She's like, oh no, we're just talking. You know what, bro? Don't worry, bro. It's cool. We're just talking. I was like, okay. Then suggest a team. Start a conversation. It's like, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you want to talk about, like movies, television, your parents. It's like, okay, talk about movies. And like, she didn't start a conversation. She's like, yeah, go, monkey, interest me. And oh, fuck it. I was so into her because she was super cool. She did digital painting. She plays with 3D, and it's hard. I mean, I'm not being like needy or whatever. I was just literally, I don't know many people who plays with 3D and plays with photo manipulation, plays with this shit. It's hard to find people like us. I was like genuinely finding somebody who I can like share something with. And she was just like, yeah, I don't know, whatever. I was like, if you don't want to talk, just break it down to me right now and tell me that you don't want to talk. And she was like, no, yeah, it's cool, bro. And I was like, yeah, talk about something. And she was like, yo, move, entertain me, monkey. Oh shit, I accidentally clicked on shadow. I was trying to do a shadow. I pick up the green there because I'm trying to blend it out the both images. Now just glitching out of every fucking thing. God damn it. The software cannot handle a simple shadow. Dude, cannot handle the shadow. Should not stay on the light. I don't fucking know. Anyway, I was talking to this girl and she's like, it's just a movie. I was like, oh, okay, is that how it's gonna go? So I was like, oh, you should watch my favorite movie. She's like, yeah, what's that? I was like, Attack Off the Block, and then I block her. It's a shame because I don't think that she get it. But whatever, man. Because, I mean, I was in, maybe, there's this slight possibility that she was just wanting sex. And I wasn't sex. I wasn't sex. I did not want sex. My eyes are up here. Thank you very much. I'm a human being with feelings, okay? I was literally searching for somebody that I can share my feelings with, okay? I'm not just an object. For some reason, I cannot fucking copy something from fucking Google and just paste it and then you drag and drop. You see, this is why you should watch me. This is why you should watch my tutorials because I'm showing shit that the tutorials don't fucking show you.